Most people work hard their entire lives and still stay broke. Not because they're lazy, but because schools never teach the truth about money. Here are 7 money facts that can change how you think about wealth. Fact 1: a salary alone will never make you rich. A regular paycheck gives security, not freedom. Rich people invest part of their salary to create more money. Fact 2: buy assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket: stocks, businesses, real estate. Liabilities take money out: expensive phones, cars. Fact 3: time is more valuable than money. You can earn money back, but time is gone forever. Rich people focus on what they can leverage, not just hard work. Fact 4: debt isn't always bad. Poor people use debt to buy things they can't afford. Rich people use debt to buy assets that earn them more money. Fact 5: your environment shapes your wealth. Surround yourself with people who are financially smart. Your habits follow the people around you. Fact 6: knowledge, hard work. Schools don't teach money management. Learning how money works is more powerful than working long hours. Fact 7: small daily habits matter. Save a little, invest a little, and keep learning. Over time, small habits create big results. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe for more money facts schools never teach you. Remember, small changes today can lead to big wealth tomorrow.